course.
Come on, run.
Yeah, they're just slow today.
You're tired, it seems.
We went for like an hour and a half walk this morning.
I walked him for like 40 minutes this morning, but like he usually has more than enough energy to spare.
Yeah, I'm sure.
He doesn't like the wind at all.
Really?
He hides. He tries to like go to the floor.
What are you guys doing? Charlie has Gaston in his mouth.
Yeah,
That little dog Remy is so funny.